Hi, welcome back. It's Yaakov with Yale Capital, NMLS number 1017498, licensed mortgage loan originator with Yale Capital. So we're going to discuss today what a pre-approval means and how we look at a pre-approval before approving a client, a would-be home buyer. Now that you joined the club from the home buyers, we're going to walk you through the basics so you know and have a better understanding of what you need to go through and which check marks you have to check off before you proceed and start making offers on homes and finally close. So we call it 4C's, which stands for capacity, capital, collateral, and credit. Capacity means the ability to repay, which we're going to analyze your income, and the rule of thumb is, generally speaking, that your mortgage payments as well as all other liability payments that you may have, which is car leases, student loans, revolving lines, or line of credits, may not exceed 50% of your annual gross income. That's capacity. The next thing we're going to discuss is capital. So capital is we're looking at your asset profile, what money you saved aside to put down for the down payment as well as for closing costs and or monthly petty reserves. You can get some of the funds as gifts from relatives, assuming you'll provide a gift letter authorized and signed by the contributors of those gift funds. That may qualify for assets as well, so it doesn't all have to be from yours, it can be from others, as well as grants that are qualified and recognized grants. The next thing we're going to look at is called collateral. So should a buyer unfortunately fail to make mortgage payments, the bank wants to rely on the asset that they're securing the loans against and make sure there's enough equity on that asset, or at least a minimum to cover the loan amount that the bank is lending you against the subject property. The fourth C, which is credit, is we're going to look at the credit profile. Ideally and typically we're looking for a borrower to have 4 trade lines established for a minimum of 2 years or more, and a preferred FICO score as low as 620 and as high as 850. Now please note, the higher your scores are, the better rates you may be getting, the better fees you may be getting. You may be getting more competitive loan products as well as rates and pricing. I hope you find this information as a glimpse of what you have to go through in order to get pre-approved for your mortgage, so you have a better idea and are more educated how to approach the home buying process. If you need more information, please feel free to reach out to me. Once again, it's Yaakov with Yale Capital, a licensed mortgage loan originator, NMLS number 1017498. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.